iOS 18 has come up with a super handy object remover tool called Cleanup. While iOS 18's built-in object remover is great and works like a charm thanks to the power of Apple intelligence, it is unfortunately limited to just a 17 Pro or higher chip. That means if you don't have the supported iPhone model like iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can't use it. However, there is no need to lose your heart, as there is a pretty neat way to get the iOS 18 object remover on iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, and older iPhone models for free. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. It's worth pointing out that in this guide we are going to use an app called Remove Objects from SpringTech. The app is available for free and supports iOS 14 or later. Moreover, you can get it on your iPad as well. So first up, you have to download the Remove Objects app on your device and then launch the app. Now you have to tap on the Remove Objects option at the top. Then you have to choose the desired photo from your photo library. Now you can choose the preferred aspect ratio for your photo. Otherwise, ensure that the custom option is selected and then tap on next to proceed. Then you have to make sure that the brush tab is selected at the bottom. After that, you have to tap and select the object that you want to get rid of. Next up, you have to drag your finger on the object that you wish to get rid of. Make sure to drag your finger on the object multiple times until it is completely hidden. As you drag your finger on the unwanted objects, you should see a live preview that is designed to provide a better idea. And once you have hidden the unnecessary objects, make sure to hit the remove button at the bottom. And finally, you have to tap on the download icon at the top right corner of the user interface to finish, and voila, it will instantly get rid of the unwanted objects from your image, and it will save the image to your photo library. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily get iOS 18 object remover tool on your iPhone 15, 15 Plus or older iPhone models, or even on your iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.